So here we are back at our project, the same state as we left it in the last video. And the next thing I want to show you is how you can create text overlays and also little graphical overlays such as drawings, for instance. So for the text overlay, one thing you can use if you want is there's this captions up here. If you click on captions, you can see there's different templates for captioning over here on the right side, and you can just drag them onto your timeline. But I'm a big fan of making my own captions so I can actually determine where they should be placed exactly and how they should exactly look like. So I will show you how to do this with Adobe Illustrator. So I already prepared a black text overlay with a caption here for you. You can see it already has the text. It's an Illustrator file, and you can actually just like drag it on the timeline again. Since it should be on top of our photo, I will put it on the video timeline too. So the photo's underneath and then the text is on top of it. So what is super cool here is that you can actually still edit this file in Illustrator. So all you have to do is you click right on your text overlay and you go to Edit Original. Once you click Edit Original, Illustrator will come up and it will load your file here on the video timeline. Sorry, it will load your file here in Illustrator. You can also see a reference for the video screen. So you have like a rough sense of how large this will be. The position here will not be exactly as in Adobe Premiere. I will show you a little bit how to set up the custom positioning. So let's say, you just wanted to edit the text here. So this is literally just like a black outline I drew, a filled shape that I drew with the pen tool. And then I reused the text tool in Illustrator to write some text. So we could also, for instance, let's say delete this part here. And now if I save the file, just like, Command S, it will automatically update in Premiere. So you see we edited the text and the text is gone here, right? And the same if I go back to Illustrator and I undo this, I put the 6810 back, then this will also show up here right away. So this is a very nice way to like go back and forth between Illustrator and Premiere, and it's pretty powerful. The drawback here is, since this is literally just like a black shape that I drew, if you want to have a different, text, you should first update the text, and then you can move these path points around here, for instance, to make the black bar a little wider or a little slimmer, depending on how you want to design this. But this gives you like full control over your text overlays, right? Which is pretty nice. Let me undo this here. Okay, great. And I will show you how to position everything in a little bit. So let me make the text overlay here a bit shorter because I really only want this to be over my photo. And then I will also show you how to import, let's say, an area highlighting for this multi-touch pad. And again, I already prepared this for you. This is like the dotted outline overlay Illustrator here. You can just drag it on the timeline. And you can see it's off positioned here. I will show you in a second how to fix this, but it's basically, again, just like an Illustrator file with a little drawing in there and some text. So you can, again, like right click on the file, edit original. And then if you said, oh, I don't want this to be white, I want this to be, red or something, you can just edit it, you save it. And this will automatically update in Illustrator and Adobe Premiere, hopefully. Let's see, maybe I didn't save it correctly. Save. Ah, yeah, here we go. And as you can see, red is a terrible choice here because obviously the background is red, so we will not see anything. So I will undo this and go back to white. So it's white. Don't forget to save, otherwise it doesn't refresh. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, my computer is a little slow today. I hope this will update in a second. Ah, here we go. All right. So yeah, sometimes maybe like scrubbing also helps a bit, so Premiere knows it has to refresh something. Okay, so this is how to position text and drawings onto your timeline. If you need a new drawing, you just make a new Illustrator file, put it on the timeline, edit original, and you can always edit, whatever you want to show on the video.